All right, India Today's exit polls, always the most accurate, the most trusted in the country. We've brought you the exit poll numbers for all the southern states. NDA is set to make a significant gain as per what the exit poll projects. And here we see three out of the 5 southern states, we're looking at Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The NDA has managed to make a mark, while the India camp crushing ahead in states like Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Nonetheless, in a big surprise, and as per most exit polls, more importantly, India Today's My Axis India exit poll shows the BJP opening its account in Kerala and in Tamil Nadu, both states which seemed impossible at one point. It appears that the BJP has seemingly made inroads. BJP seems to have made a mark in all the southern states, largely as per the data that we see. India Today's My Axis India exit polls, the most accurate, this is what it shows. All right, as we take you through the numbers for the exit polls in southern states, NDA is all set to make a significant gain in all the states in South India. Karnataka, India Today's exit polls show 23 to 25 for the BJP. Remember, last 2019 Lok Sabha elections, the BJP gained at least 25 seats out of the 28. This time, it appears that they are likely to keep all of them if we go by our prediction. The India camp, on the other hand, which is currently the ruling dispensation in Karnataka, the Congress party is governing, they, from 1 in 2019, will likely pick up to 5. And JDS, as per our survey again, which is contesting 3 seats, are likely to win all 3, if not at least 2. It's a very good possibility that the rape-accused Prajwal Revanna might just win his seat from Hassan.
Last time the BJP won an astounding 25 of them. The Congress had won just one independent and JDS. But how is it all changing on the ground this time in the state of Karnataka? There you can see the magnificent Vidhan Saudha. And we are now predicting for the state of Karnataka, with the projected vote share of the BJP at 48%, the Congress at 41%, JDS at 7, and remember the JDS is an ally of the BJP, others at 4. So you've got the BJP, which lost Karnataka just 12 months ago, now rising once again. And this is how it's showing out. Karnataka 20 to 22 out of 28 for the BJP. Very good news for the Lotus Party. JDS 2 to 3 and the Congress 3 to 5. Now think about it, Rahul. This was the state where the Congress needed to make double-digit gains. They are just 3 to 5. That alliance between the BJP and JDS may well be working, and Karnataka living up to its reputation, voting differently Vidhan Sabha, voting differently Lok Sabha. Rahul.
So if we look at the caste-wise breakup in Karnataka, there is a massive consolidation of the Lingayat voters. 80% of the Lingayat voters said they voted for the NDA. Only 15% voted for the India Alliance. Remember, in the Karnataka Assembly elections, the Congress did chip away at a part of the Lingayat vote bank of the BJP. It's only amongst the Dalits in Karnataka that the India Alliance is actually ahead of the NDA. 55% of the Dalits in Karnataka in our poll said they voted for the India Alliance, and 41% said they voted for the NDA. Amongst the tribals, amongst the Vokaligas as well, the BJP, JDS combined at 70% versus 24% for the Congress, which is 31% down from the last time. The swing away of Vokaliga votes, one of the big stories.
हमारा जो गठबंधन का जो एक निर्णय ये है कि हम जो आज बीजेपी और उनके साथी लोग खास करके एग्जिट पोल पे बहुत वो लोग चर्चा करेंगे और इसीलिए लोगों में कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना और वो जो नैरेटिव देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं उसको हमने सच्चाई इस देश के लोगों को बताना चाहते हैं। इंडिया गठबंधन कम से कम 295 सीटें प्लस 295 से ज्यादा आएंगे, कम तो नहीं आएंगे। ये हमने आकलन किया कि सभी हमारे नेताओं से पूछने के बाद ये एक आंकड़ा हमारे पास मिला है और इस आंकड़े में कोई बदलाव नहीं है।
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಲ್ಲ ಡಬಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನನಗೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ನನಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಅವ್ರ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಭಾಳ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಓವರ್.
The performance and popularity of Narendra Modi ji and the pro-incumbency of last 10 years of his government, and the way he has provided a very stable, strong government, and the economic growth in spite of COVID, and involvement of all the people in the inclusive growth has led to a third time victory for our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and BJP and NDA on a whole.